So he had the bright idea for myself and my little brother to build this.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
You're talking about Johnny.
John, little John, he's 12.
Oh.
Yes, so anyways, it cost us, I think, $2,000 in all for all the materials. Yes, not including labor, but we got the experience and the knowledge gained from building a smoker. So it took us 297 hours to build it, and we took it to competition in San Angelo and San Antonio to their ag mechanics shows. And at San Angelo we got grand champion of our division.
Oh, that's great.
You didn't win the prize because they thought you cheated.
At San Angelo we won. At San Antonio the judges didn't believe that we built it.